close to the end here, which is kind of neat. Didn't realize how much we've done. So congratulations to you. I am also very happy with, I'm going to say our progress. Since it's kind of huge. It's an accomplishment for both of us. I know I have one thing I want to talk about today, which is try-catch blocks. And then also, I've been formatting things potentially wrong. I don't know. I just know that the best practice now is to put the curly braces below that, and then your code should auto indent. Most editors do, but then this gets edited in, whatever you want to put in here. And this is not real code, but basically what you'd want is to put, I was trying to think of a way to differentiate it, but basically I'll just make it one word so that you know it's not actual code, but you're going to put any code that you want in there, and then close the brackets, and this will go inside your public static void main or inside your method, so your public or whatever you have it would be outside, and then this would all be indented in. So I'm going to get rid of this just so you know. We're just talking about this block, and then you put the catch, and again curly braces, line up with that first letter, but in the case of catch there's an input, so you can kind of see now where you'd put your input, and in here you put a type of exception. So exception type, and so there's like out of bounds, there's formatting. Those you just have to Google depending on what you might be encountering, and then the word exception. Then again you indent, and again you can see this on the YouTube channel if you're listening on the podcast, and it should do it automatically for you. But just be careful with the curly braces, brackets, whatever you prefer to call them, because they will not go automatically. And then in here, you can basically have it do whatever you want. So instead of it just throwing an exception, you can have it print a message to the user. You can have an alternative action. So I'll say in here, print, hold on, let me fix the typo. In here, print, or perform action when exception occurs. And again, I think this would be indented, but it's a little hard on the mobile device. And then you would close out your catch block. So it's basically just a way so that your code doesn't break. Instead, you get some control over the action, and you can print something and alert the user, or you can perform an actual action. And just as an example, like for the formatting, you would do the same thing for your methods. You would do public, and then whatever you want to return, int method name, you would have any input parameters in those parentheses right there, and then you would hit enter and then put your curly brace, and then we could put curly brace there, and then all of this though would be indented more, but just to show that that's the similar formatting there. And that's all I have for today. Again, we're getting close to the end here, so you're well on your way to having your first programming job, which is exciting. Thank you for being along here for the journey. I hope you found it helpful. And appreciate the new subscribers. Saw a couple new subscribers come in. Thank you. Just hope you learned something, and then hopefully we'll catch you back here again soon for either our second to last lesson or our last lesson, and then we'll have to move on to the more part of the show. But until then, thank you very much.